Are you tired of being locked to T-Mobile and want to unlock your iPhone for more flexibility? Look no further. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple and proven process of unlocking your T-Mobile iPhone. By following the step-by-step instructions in this video, you'll gain the freedom to use your iPhone with any carrier of your choice. It's a simple and straightforward method that has been tested and proven successful by countless iPhone users. Please see this video and follow the instructions step by step. Step 1. Visit unlocking360.com website. Step 2. Select your manufacturer. Step 3. Select your iPhone model. Step 4. Click on Unlock Now button. Step 5. Enter the mobile's IMEI number. The IMEI code is a 15 to 17-digit number unique to your phone, which you can obtain by typing ##06# followed by the call key. Step 6. Enter your email ID on which you will get your unlock code. Step 7. Select country name. Step 8. Select the current network your iPhone which is locked. Do not select the network you want to use. Step 9. Click on Submit button. Step 10. You will get order status notification on your email ID. Once the code is generated, Unlocking360.com support team will send your unlock code on your email ID. If the free unlock code available for your device, you will get your unlock code on your email ID instantly. If the free unlock code is not available for your device, you will have to pay for the unlock code. If neither free unlock code nor paid unlock code available for your device, you will redirect on Tools Not Available page. In case even after filling all the details, there is a possibility of unavailability of unlocking code. If the unlocking code is not available, a message of Tools Not Available will be displayed. Don't worry, you can submit your request to notify you once the code available by providing your email ID. Unlocking360.com support team will notify you as the code available. As soon as you receive confirmation that the unlock has been applied to your iPhone, please follow the following steps. Step 1. Power on your iPhone with a non-accepted SIM card inserted. A SIM card is non-accepted if it is not from the original network your iPhone was locked on. The SIM card can be from any other network carrier worldwide, and does not need to be the same SIM card you want to use in the future. Step 2. Your iPhone will automatically activate with your new SIM card. That means your iPhone is fully unlocked now. Step 3. That's it. You can now use your iPhone with any network carrier worldwide. If you have any questions or doubt, please visit https://www.unlocking360.com or contact us info@unlocking360.com. Also, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel.